Alright, so this is a video of a Commodore 128D that I purchased, I'm gonna guess, in 1986 or 87. Not quite sure, but I went through college using a Commodore 64. I upgraded to this to get the 80 columns, even though I did run it monochrome through a 1701 monitor. But as I recall, this thing did not get a lot of use. It was quickly replaced with an Amiga 500 somewhere around the 1988 timeline. I just don't remember exactly when I actually made the switch. But as you can see, this computer's in very good shape, considering it's spent the last 20-25 years sitting in a cool, dark shelf in the basement, sorry. I've cleaned it up a little bit. Just did a quick check of the internals and then ran some old software on it. As you can imagine, with diskettes that are 30-35 years old at this point. Varying degrees of success, although I'm happy to report Micro League Baseball ran just fine. Continue to work on it. I see, for instance, that there is a slot for, let me get a different angle here. There's a slot here for an additional ROM cart, or ROM chip. I think I've seen a few people install GEOS 128 on it, or GEOS 128 on it. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. But I at least wanted to share this. And honestly, I don't know that there's a lot to do here, although I might be interested in seeing if I can get this to run on a modern LCD screen, just to get those 80 columns. But I'll add a few more videos in some of my computer collection. Just things that have been in the basement for more years than I care to admit. So, more to come.